Hello, I got a question about all the reading. Reading meaning the curriculum. There's a lot of reading in the curriculum, explaining things, whether it's like maybe science or history or even math and English, or reading for your kid. So let's start with the first one. Reading in the curriculum, whether it's FLVS, K-12, or whatever the online curriculum you've chosen. It can be daunting to sit with your kid and read to them, right? Then the online option may have a reader for you, and it may be very computer reading and really boring. For years, before companies had their own readers, we used a software, a little plug-in to our browser called Natural Reader. You can look it up. I think it's still around. But again, Natural Reader had voices that sounded more natural, male, female. You could speed it up, slow it down, do a lot of those options. You highlight the text, and it'll read to you. Search in my videos. I'll search for Natural Reader, and I have a video on it, okay? So how do I tackle all the reading? Well, I am a maximum minimum person. I'm lazy. Shortcuts. I love them. What I'll do is we'll log on, whatever the curriculum is, whatever the online curriculum is, and I'll print out what is required to hand in, okay? There are lots of other worksheets out there. It took me years to realize that I didn't have to do all the lesson activities. Okay, write that down. You do not have to do all the lesson activities, especially if your student, your child knows the information. I learned that the hard way. All right, so you print out the minimum required for your student. After that, your student does it. If they know it, great. If you can teach it and have time or want to, then great, then do it. You can say, this is this and this is this, and you're done. But if you're like, I have no idea what this history lesson is, science lesson, math, language arts, I don't know, it's not my thing. You can go then to the lesson, okay? Go to the lesson. In all my videos, I say, get your teacher on redial. I will say this, you will tick off your teacher and be a disservice if you haven't gone to the lesson. Your teacher will know that, hey, we just printed this out and I don't know it, so answer it for me or help me out here. If you can, please be courteous. Print out the information, have your student do it. If they can't do it, then go to the lesson, okay? That's when you'll need to probably do the reading. So how do I handle it? I try to avoid it. I try to paraphrase it, or I try to get someone else to read it. And then if we're really having problems, we call, email, and message our teacher. I hope that was helpful. And again, keep the questions coming. It is a pleasure to help share and show and be part of this whole thing with you, because it is no fun doing it alone. Bye-bye.